My name is Morten Ström. I'm a product manager for high-precision GNSS products at u-Blox. Have you ever driven a car with built-in navigation or flown a drone or worn a smartwatch? Then chances are that you already experienced u-Blox technology. At u-Blox, we design technologies that deliver precise position information and wireless connectivity for the smart devices. With over 500 million GNSS receivers shipped, we are a leading provider with a broad product portfolio tailored to meet every customer's needs. Drawing from our long and extensive experience in GNSS, we have now created the u-Blox F9 platform. The product we promote here is the ZF9P product. It's a multi-band GNSS receiver with built-in RTK to deliver centimeter-level accuracies within seconds. If you want to find out more, please visit our website at u-Blox.com. Thank you and hope to see you soon.